right. Let's see. MTEK seems to be a good one here. Nope. Oh, stock here. Nice. Nice. Moving pretty quickly. Can I get a share in here? Nice. All right. 2K? Maybe 2K? Yeah, 2K is good. 7265 is that area. Sort of like a gap reclaim, see if it's going to hold right under VWAP. It's going to give everything back. Let's see, the next 1 minute. Dip into it again. Stop will be like 65. Is it holding 65? Nope. So we have another gap here. 45. Getting rid of this. Unless it reclaims 65, then I'm going to take it. Oh, there we go. Gap reclaim. That was fast. That was fast reclaim, so it's strong. Yeah, I'll take this. 65. Stop is flat. Let's see this next candle. That's a gap reclaim for me, so let's see. What do we get here? Oh, next candle, next candle, next candle, next candle, next candle, next candle needs to go now. No. Oh, it does work. Okay, so it came down lower, but I didn't trust it. So 2K, it's quite a lot. So here, let's do 1.2. 1.8. So 145. TPET. What's the volume on this? 265. GXAI. 40, 39. 39. 40 looking good. Good dip right into that gap. Nice, okay. Good one there. Could this be a red to green? That would be fantastic. GXAI. IBO. IBO coming down. What is the news on MTEK? GXAI. This is canceled.
BW, AXTI,
MOBS, ASNS,
LITS,
Held this gap one more time. Nice.
MLBX, ANPX,
Okay, MTEK is going to be a juicy one, it looks like.
CRCA,
We'll be ready for this.
CRCG,
XWEL,
Right over 60.
MTEK, TPET, MOBS, SES,
SES, AXTI,
Keeping this pretty tight.
ASNS,
Right over 60 here.
GEMI,
LITX,
We'll see how well this is gonna hold 60.
OLPX,
Looking
CRCG,
pretty interesting.
MTEK,
Ooh,
TPET, ALT,
64 was the high, but
GEMG,
okay.
CRCA,
So it's
SOC, GEMI,
not a strong gap. There's no gap at all here.
CCUP,
GEMI,
So it could reject.
XWEL,
LITX,
LITX,
Reject it one
OLPX,
more time.
MTEK, IB,
TURB, CRCG,
ALT, GEMG,
GEMG, CRCA, SOC,
Looks like it might give a curl though.
HELP, TPET,
Stay patient.
EOLS,
GEMI, IB, ALT,
TPET,
GEMG,
GEMI,
TURB, HELP, OKTG,
OKTG,
TPET, SHMD,
Something's holding it at 50. Right above this little gap that's been holding very strong. IBO. Alright, IBO it is.
GEMG, POAS,
SOC,
IBO getting rejected. Dang.
OKTG, HELP, GXAI,
OKTG,
TPET, MVCX,
GXAI now?
AOI,
What's going on here? Which one is it?
GXAI,
Alright, we'll pause it. We'll look for the next one. Alright,
CRDU,
let's see.
PACK halted,
I like this, maybe give a nice little dip under 10, under 11.
MVCX, MTEK,
It's SSR, so it looking good.
LXU,
This might actually squeeze GXAI. It's good to know it's SSR, so people are shorting it
EOLS,
on the uptick.
GXAI,
Shorting it on the uptick.
SOC,
GXAI. What's my
B18,
target on this? Well,
GXAI,
first target will be 264. Or pre-market high as well.
BATL,
Start with 1.6, see if I can get a nice dip here.
GXAI,
JDST, OKTA, SOC, EOLS,
MTEK,
PDYN,
No dip, strong so far.
GEMI, SG,
AIFF,
JDST,
Hmm,
SOC,
Let's see which one is gonna be the one. We're looking at MTEK, IVO, and GXAI.
EOLS,
GEMG,
BATL, GEMG, UBTZ.
Interested in GXAI here on this move.
AINF.
If it's going to be strong, gap and goes are going to hold.
SOC.
If it's not, then I'm going to have to take a dip. I would love to take a dip here under 11. It'll be right at under VWAP.
MTEK.
Stop at 202.
BATL.
BATL.
We'll see. See how well you want to hold. But it is holding 214. Since you are holding 214, we could give a move here.
TPET. STUB.
TPET.
All those seem to be sitting right at 215. It's holding very well. All those are sitting 215. Then we're gonna see this thing squeeze.
BATL.
BATL.
We're gonna see this thing squeeze. If not, we're gonna take a dip, but we may see this thing squeeze right over. Here we go. Right over 220.
STUB.
221.
IPSC. TPET.
GXAI. LABF.
221 here. 40 seconds
JDST.
for this candle to close. Looking for a gap to form. See how well it's gonna hold. Hopefully it doesn't just go here.
BATL.
BATL.
Doesn't
GXAI.
just go here. I think it
EOSU.
could give a nice hold, a gap, then a second push.
IPSC.
25, stop is 21.
IPSC.
TPET.
GXAI.
Here we go.
LABX.
Looking for this gap and go, see if it's gonna fold. 25 seems to be holding
BACK
strong.
Zoom in less than a minute.
Nice.
BATL.
Next candle, gap. Yeah, this is gonna fold
BATL.
here, 24.
ASNS.
Eesh.
EOFU.
Drop. Okay.
TPET.
I gotta give it an extra second, right? So jumping in too quickly on that. Let me see if I can get it dip right down there on their 11. Just a massive flush.
LABF.
We'll get it. Oh, that sucks. Since it was holding really well, 25.
IPSC.
So immediately got out right there. Let's say
BATL.
disrespected. 24. Ah, that sucks.
BACK may res in 10 seconds.
We'll see. We'll see.
MTEK.
DLXY.
No, MTEK looks better. MTEK.
BULG.
EDYN.
ASNS.
MTEK here.
TPET.
Oh, here we go. 207, 206. There it is. I'm in there at 206. Stop 202. I think this could do. Ooh,
DLXY.
not
SOC.
fun. Not fun here. Not fun. Dang it. Okay, down 250 on that drop. Not fun. Not fun playing with this. That's a bad loss.
TPET.
95 here. This other gap. Ah, that sucks.
IB.
CENS.
That really sucks. Okay.
MTEK.
Alright, but that's alright. We keep moving on. We got a. We're not only 150. That's okay. So see if we can get a dip here.
OSRH.
Because it just seems to be pretty interesting here.
TPET.
Keep it pretty tight.
TPET.
Below the previous is 50.
MTEK.
JDST. RCAT.
Stop us 46 here. We can get a nice.
ONDG.
We can get a nice. Yeah. Nope.
ONDL.
Bang.
OKTL.
Weakness.
TPET. STAK.
TPET.
MTRK. IV.
CLIK may res in 10 seconds.
The
RCAT.
losses get bigger because I'm taking bigger sides. So I gotta get used to that. TPET.
EMD.
Lost
ONDG.
10 cents on that,
ONDS.
sadly.
SPAK.
QBTZ.
Dang, MTEK all the way down here. Good thing I didn't take that.
OKTA.
So things are failing. Things are failing really bad. Getting rejected, so I gotta be careful. Down 150.
RCAS.
Gotta be
RCAT.
careful.
TPET.
TPET giving an interesting bounce here off the lows.
SOC.
STAK.
Alright, we'll stay patient, see what this is going to do. Good volume so far, TPET.
DSA.
Oh, what do we got here? Do we hold?
TPET.
Do we hold 125?
TYN.
Do we keep going? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 green 5-minute candles.
GMD.
STAK.
STAK.
Dip right there, 123 to 120.
AMPX.
NPT.
STUB.
MTEK.
EDYN. SOC. RKLX.
EMD. TURB. STAK.
Let's see what this next candle wants to do.
ABGX.
If it wants to hold, looks like it doesn't want to hold. Gonna have to take it easy here.
STUB.
Take it
BW.
easy.
MTEK.
EOSU.
RBN.
Would I take this dip here?
STUB.
RKLX.
115, 112.
STAK.
STAK halted to the upside. ONDO.
STAK.
AMPX. EDYN. BW. TMDE.
Be patient. All right. I take 1K here, reducing size. Let's see, we're in this red gap, but we have great news. So we may see a nice little pop here.
SOC.
We got a nice gap there. So maybe we got a dip under 205. If it wants to give a dip, only 1,000 shares, keeping it tight. We're down 150 already, so we don't want to get too crazy out here like we did yesterday. Yesterday was some nonsense, so we're gonna keep it tight. Wow, very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice.
SOC.
Over 212. If it wants to, if you want to get a nice move here, it needs to happen pretty soon. VWAP is 210. Let's see. 17. It may go straight into a hold up. Let's see. So 7. Looking for this to give me a little move here. Give me an entry, man. I'm missing a lot of these setups, right? Waiting for a gap, and I think it's just really strong. I just got to get in there, right? Because it's not gonna work.
GXAI.
AIFF. GXAI.
Best entry was right here, like top of the gap. Ah, dang it.
STAK.
CONL.
Straight down. That's awful.
RILY.
Dip at 2. I'll
AI
take it
FF.
if it dips at 2. That's a crazy, crazy candle here. Somebody wants to short the crap out of this.
SOC.
STAK.
LITX.
I will take this right here, bro. This little gap could hold. I'll take this 14 by 15. Keeping it really tight. Come on, come on, come on. Show me some green. 13, 12. Yep. Somewhere around there.
STAK.
BEX.
Green? It's not going. I think it's going to hold 12 here. 12 is the low of the gap. Yep, nice. Yep. Nice, 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 nice. I'm in at 15, so I'm in pretty high. Back to 12. No, don't like 12. Don't like 11 by 12. I'm going to get out 14 there. Okay, get out for 1 cent loss. Don't like that it retested 12. It retested VWAP at 11. I thought it would be okay there. That's all right. We're gonna take that, just 1K. Let's see, that candle, that 5-minute candle in the green. New 5-minute candle here.
BULL. CRCG. CCUP.
205.
CRCA.
AI FF.
CONL.
This is SSR, so people are. Let me see, 205, 205, 205, 205. 205. $205.
AI FF.
205. It's pretty strong 205, but I want to see it at 204, 203.
BULG.
LITX.
Yeah, I mean, great move there, but it gave everything back so quickly. Holding around their VWAP at 205.
STAK.
ALTO. LITX.
It's a 5-minute gap right there, 205 to $2. Interesting price action.
TURB.
LITX.
Interesting price action.
AI FF. TURB.
205. No, 211.
GXAI.
This is going to be very volatile, huh?
ABGX.
See if we can catch a good volatility here.
AIFF.
So what we know is it likes to pop and then give everything back. So hopefully
GXAI.
TURB.
it's just too high right there. 211, 216 to 211. It's a bit high for me, I think. Yep, under 216 here. Under
AIFF.
216.
TURB.
Under 216. It doesn't give dips, you know, it doesn't give dips.
GXAI.
That is tough for me to trade if it's not going to give dips, but we're going to have to commit to some of these moves. Like above the gaps. We're going to have to make some adjustments to adjust to the stock if it's going to move. Maybe there's a dip though.
RGTZ.
So it's SSR, maybe it doesn't give a dip if it,
ASTN. BNNZ.
you know. $16 is holding. Yeah, I'll take 12.8. Good.
STA.
So needs to hold 12 here for me. Let's try one more time these dips, you know? Let's try one more time these dips and how well, if they're not going to be flushing me through. Nice, okay. Good. Good.
TURB.
Good. Committing to that.
AXTI.
Back to 12, I gotta get out. Just back on 12, I gotta get out. Yeah, I gotta get out. Out right there. Yeah. So it needs to go right away there. All right, if now we're gonna take a gap reclaim or below 205. Where I think buyers could be sitting. Algos could be sitting right under 205 at $2. Plus VWAP is right there, so that's a good area needed to hold. So we're keeping it tight here. We're giving ourselves more room to breathe. Okay, back over that gap.
TURB.
Back over that gap. All right, we'll see how this develops. I could trade it right here at 13 by 12. First 30 minutes already gone. Nothing crazy. TURB. 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 Okay. So that gap reclaim was much better. I was thinking about taking it right here, 13 by 14, and that was better. So let's see if we can get here a trade at 17.
GXAI.
DIP.
20 seconds here for a trade at 17.
GXAI.
Looking for this.
GSL.
Maybe there's a little dip here. Dip. 21. Ah, all right, whatever. 20. Oh, 23. Okay, not bad. I guess it's fine. Push, push. I'll go squeeze here. Wish I got in 21, but that's okay. 23. No.
GXAI.
Looking for more. Looking for way more.
BATL.
19. 18. 19. 19. 19.
TURB.
BATL.
TURB.
ZSL. BMNZ.
So back there again at 20.
BATL.
Okay. My
GDXD.
timing on it, it's not accurate yet. I think maybe here, like these gap and goes. 27 needs to hold.
TURB. BATL.
BMNZ.
27 needs to hold here.
RGTZ.
TURB. GXAI. STAK.
MSTZ.
Like 27 held. I didn't take it, but I mean, because it's just so tight. It's right on the. It's like no gap. It's right at where the gap would form. 30, 29 again.
BATL.
Yeah, I'm breaking 27. So it's not the best setup.
BMNZ. BATL. RGTZ.
Let's look for the next setup. See if we can get a dip into any of these gaps. And a flush. It likes to flush, so we'll see.
TOHR.
We'll see if this time a flush is going to give a nice entry.
APPX. BATL.
Hmm.
SOC. APPX.
TURB.
Closer to 11, the better for me. TURB also worked well. 16.
SOC. Team and GX. APPX.
TURB.
TURB. NOWL.
Hmm.
XWEL. Team and GX.
XWEL.
Here we go. 13, 12,
NXE.
12,
SOC. MSTZ.
13, 16. Yeah. A little too late, but that's okay. Let's hold this. We can get a nice bounce here, hopefully.
TURB.
XWEL.
XWEL.
16.
TURB.
Team and GX.
This is decent entry. This is a great entry. Okay, let's hold this, see if we can get it. We can get a bounce here of VWAP. It would be picture perfect bounce. Nice, 17.
EDYN. MSTZ.
17.
TURB.
Team and GX.
Comes back to 13. I gotta get out. Yep, getting out
TURB.
there. Huh.
EDYN. MSTZ.
It's on the gap though.
XWEL.
SPATIC.
Hmm. 11 is a stop.
Team and GX. EDYN. MSTZ.
SPATIC.
Dang. Okay, retesting the gap. Retesting the gap. Stay patient. We will stay patient.
ALTO. BATL. EDYN.
Here we go. Is it gonna hold? Are you gonna hold this level?
ALTO.
13, 12, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 10, 10,
UBIS.
8. Oh, what a drop. 205, 205, 205. 205.
TURB.
Fake out.
TMD.
205, 204 with a stop at 2. Oh my gosh. Ooh. 96. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get this out.
TURB.
Okay. Quick little pop right there. Could still hold it, but man, it's a little risky down there. I actually thought, what was this? $2? Quick little pop. I should, whatever. I mean, it's just one of those scalps. It probably could be okay to keep holding 204.
TURB.
UBIX.
Yeah, it likes to flush quite a lot. I could still be holding this. It would have been good. Gap right here. Sellers, buyers, and buyers right sitting right at this gap or below the gap. All right, well,
DATL.
that's a bummer. Anyways,
And SIVA.
I gotta keep holding it. I gotta keep holding it, you know. If it wants to retest my stop, then sure, but I gotta commit to that. Anyway,
BATL. ZSL. UBIX.
nice pop.
MSTZ.
Nice pop.
UBXY.
Wow, is this serious? Dang, that's some serious bounce.
UBIX.
That's a serious bounce. Okay. Are you gonna dip it all? Dip it as 12.
GXAI.
I mean, I feel like if it dips, it's not, it's a SSR, so if it dips, it like people give up on it, no? That would be some wild stuff if we go from here. 5 minute looks pretty juicy here for a massive move, for a massive squeeze.
GXAI.
Let's see. 22, 20, 19. 12 is that low, 16. Let's see, below 17. 16 below 17. Not a chance, huh?
MSTZ.
Not a chance. 16. 15. 16. Ooh, okay, out. Watching. 14.
UBIX.
Yeah, let's do it here.
RKLZ.
15 and a half.
STAK.
15 and a half here on this dip. Can we finally get a good move here? The low that is 12, so
MSTZ.
hopefully this gives a nice bounce. I'm in this gap. I'm not feeling it though. Let's hold it.
UBIX. QBTZ.
Okay, call push now. Nice green candle would be nice here. Knowing this stock, I might get another red candle here.
BATL.
Come on.
MSTZ.
If it goes to 14, I might need to get out. Come on.
RKLZ.
15's holding. Nice. 17. 15, 16, 17. Okay. Hold this level. And we can get a nice move. Previous low is 14.
MSTZ.
Nice. You're holding.
UBIX. BMNZ.
STAK.
RKLZ.
Don't want to size down here because it could push. Here we go, 18. So you got that gap, 17 to 12. So we're looking for a push here. If this 5-minute candle turns green, that would be so awesome.
TZA.
No,
BMNZ.
no, I'm gonna get out. Okay. That's not gonna do it. For me, it had to go a little bit here, a little bit higher for me to keep holding. But let's see if we can get 12 on this. What do we got? After a crazy bounce, we can bounce around their VWAP at 208. So realistically, the best thing to do is wait for a flush. At least it worked here. It sort of worked here. So it held 15. Continue to hold 15.
STEK.
We'll see.
BATI.
Okay. Back over 13. Yeah, let's take this. Back over 13. Ah. No. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get out. Nope. I'm thinking it's going to give a good reclaim. No, good attempt though. That's not bad. Not bad. Could still do it though. Over 12. Over 12, good reclaim.
TPET.
No, again. TPET. All right, this one has more momentum in it for now. 25 to 22, this gap. Let's see, 25 to 22.
HUHE halted.
Maybe this next candle can give me a nice entry. Come on, dip into 24, 23.
UURE. BATI.
Volume is increasing here. Maybe we can get a dip. Stop at 22.
BATI.
MSC.
Here, 24.
BATI.
No, 25 is gonna hold. 25 looks like it's going to hold. Let's see this next candle. top of the gap setup, possibly here, possibly right above this gap, because it looks like it may hold. If it's gonna hold, then we may go from here. But I want to wait for a dip. This one finally bouncing here off 208.
ENSC.
Ah, it's hard to get dips into gaps these days, huh? Lower volume.
GXAI.
Weird price action here, 216. Very choppy price action, you know. This is since the open. Look at that. It's really difficult to trade.
HU may resume in less than a minute.
Alright, wondering if we're going to get a dip here. Being patient on this. It gave a dip before. I could do it again. And I missed this one. I was watching something else. But here we are. It's good hold 210 as well. Just watch that right at 210.
TPET.
STAK. ENSC.
TNGX.
And here we go. This is a riskier, it's under VWAP. Let's see if I can get this one here under 272. Under 272.
TPET.
TNGX. TPET.
TPET keeps going, grinding higher. Where do we have more volume? Here?
TKC may resume in less than a minute.
Here we have volume 14 million, TPET volume 68 million. Oh, TPET has more volume. 69 million.
MV
14 million. Let's see here.
TNGX.
Interesting dip or what? 60, 70. Could have taken that.
TKC may rise in 10 seconds.
Oh, all right. Maybe another dip. Nice. You see how that volume came in there? Right when it went into 70.
BOIL. SMCX.
Let's see. Huh, wonder, okay, now it's gonna be strong enough to keep going. This one retesting 70. Stop of that is 60. Here we go. This is 212. Here we go. 212, 14, 14, 15, 14.
SMCL.
I'll take 14. And we need this to go now. 15, 16, good. Love to see a push here. Give me that push. 18 again. Stop is going to be 14. Basically flat. Can we get some volume through this? Nice. 14. Can get 24. I'll get half out at 24 for 10 cents. 16. 15. Oh, no, no, no. Come on. Give me a nice push. 18.
AOI.
Nice. Holding this. We want to get a bigger move here. We're going for a bigger move. See if we can
B18L.
get some short sellers to get squeezed here. 15. Hold 15. 15. You know you can hold 15. I think you've done it before. Wow. No, 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 no. Maybe 12?
TKC may resume in less than a minute.
14 again. So this one they give a dip right here, 263. Sheesh. Okay, this has like a 3 cent spread. I don't know if I want to trade that 3 cent spread. I'm looking for a bigger move on this. I'm really not settling for 14 to 20, 6 cents. I guess that could have worked, but I'm looking for the bigger move. I don't want to sell at 20 knowing I could go to 25, 30, you know, I could squeeze pretty fast. So we'll see. We could get a nice little dip here all the way to 09. We'll stay patient. We'll take back to 1K. Let's see. 0.6 was fine. So here we have VWAP at 213. We could get a nice dip under VWAP like around 209 and then get a nice bounce here. Low's not bad. 211, the low. 211 again. 210, 209, 208. Yeah, like this thing when it dips, it goes pretty far. You know, it like dips too much. So, but when it reclaims, it could also work. So over 209. Okay, good. So if we reclaim 10 here, would this be a good trade? Can we reclaim here? Reclaim 209. Reclaim 210. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Let's see. Big red candle there, but holding 10. Holding 10. There's some holding 10, 9, 8. No, doesn't hold. Here, let's see here. Will you hold 60? 60 is the low of that gap. Will you hold 60? It'd be nice if you hold 60. Low red volume, so we might be able to hold 60 here. I'll try 1K here. Did I get 63.5? Okay, fine. Here we go. No, red. Increasing red volume here.
QVTZ.
Lower volume. No, not a big fan of this. 61 by 63. 62 by 63. 64. I mean, if we do get it, that'd be nice.
TKC may resume in less than a minute. BW.
Yeah, I'll get out. So this gave the reclaim. Okay, I'm just tossing money. All right, is it time now? Is it time that we get a good trade here?
STAK.
214. Oh, nice. Nice. Now what? 219.
ACCL.
Let's see.
TKC may rest
Maybe
10
get
seconds.
230 here. Short
MSTZ.
squeeze. Gotta
STAK.
be quick here on this one. Dip. Little dip here. Low, that is 226. Over 230. Over 230. Yep, over 230. Do it.
IRZ.
Do a short squeeze over 230. Tight stop. Come on. Oh, no, thank you.
MSTZ.
It's like it's there, but it's difficult. It's struggling there.
GXAI.
But it is holding though. Sheesh, it's holding. It got shaken out there by a little bit.
IREZ.
Ah. Hmm.
MSTZ.
If we could get a dip, that would be beautiful.
GXAI.
Dip under 26.
ENSC.
Dip under 26. Come on.
IREZ.
GXAI. ENSC.
MSTZ.
30.
IREZ. OKLS. TZA. ELTZ.
ENSC.
Dang, I'm unable to catch any of this move. Oh man.
MSTZ.
So what is happening? I think our strategy
NZ.
works well. Here at 26, it would have worked well. I mean, that means we got to take it right away. Also,
TZA.
we just got to be patient, you know? If it's not going to come, it's just going to be one of those days.
ENSC.
So hopefully we get a dip here to stop on that would be 19 at the lows there.
MSTZ. SMST. ELTZ.
So waiting patiently for a dip. Can't get frustrated if I don't find a good entry.
IREZ.
Your strategy is your strategy. You know it works.
GXAI.
Algos seem to be pushing this thing higher and higher, but topping wicks there. People are shorting it. So people are shorting the topping wicks.
MSTZ.
Betting that it's going to hold.
GDXD.
But this time it's going to hold a nice little dip here under 26.
TKC may resume in less than a minute. SMST. BMNZ.
So 29 was that low.
B18L.
BATL.
GDXD. ETHD.
These patterns do form. I just have to be patient.
BANL. STAK.
MSTZ. CONI. TKC may res in 10 seconds.
It's got very strong volume there.
UBIX. UBXY.
STAK.
CONI.
Now we're gonna have to
MSTZ.
take a gap and go through
INZ.
here to get the breakout. There it is, 37, 38. 37 is that line, 35.
TURB.
B18L.
There might be a little big squeeze here, but I'm looking for a dip. If not, I'm looking for a dip 26 to 19.
ELTZ. TZA.
STAK. BANL.
Oh, looks like it's not. Oh, maybe it is.
BANL.
Maybe it is. We're at 37.
GXAI.
Looks like it's not.
B18L.
It may squeeze. If we print 40, it may squeeze.
LTZ.
I'm seeing if I can get a dip here.
BANL.
It's short sell restriction, so dips are going to be pretty tough to find, but if they do, they might pop right away.
B18L.
BANL.
Here we go. They're 100% buyers under 30. Here we go. Just don't crash, don't crash. 214 is the VWAP, so there's a huge buyer at 29. Huge buyer at 27. Yeah, let's do it. Tight, 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 tight. Tight. Nah, it's coming down. No, let's do it. Let's do it one more time. Nice. Now it's a squeeze mode here. Top of the gap setup. Jeez, bro. What the heck is that? Dip. No, 25 did it. Ah, that's annoying. That's so annoying, bro. That's annoying. That's frustrating. So it actually did do it. It went as low as 23. I got out 27. Basically flat 2 times. Trying to get that push. Weird. It's just such a weird way to get into this gap with a massive buyer right at 27 at the top of the gap. See if we can get a nice dip here. 23, 22, 19 is that stop. Dip. Let me see. Let me see how well you're gonna hold this.
MTEK.
Let me see how well you're gonna hold this.
B18L.
Dang it, 26 held very strong. Again,
GXAI.
top of the gap holds strong.
SGM.
Here we go, 32.
INDO.
Dang it, brother. 32's this gap. This thing has like a massive squeeze in it. So gonna be pretty quick here. I wanted to see this quickly.
GXAI.
Yeah, let's do it. It needs to go now. I'm in at 34.5. There you go. 40, 40. Squeeze, squeeze. I'll go squeeze. I'll go squeeze. If not, I'm taking that out flat. So here comes the algo squeeze, or at least hold above 34, above 35.
GXAI.
GXAI.
Nice, 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 nice. Don't get me out. Push, brother. Push, push, push.
B18L.
Oh, that's lame. That's so lame.
TMDD.
INDO.
Alright, that's lame.
TPET.
22, 21. Let's get a massive flush here. That's lame as heck.
ELTZ. TZA.
That's lame. That's so lame. When I'll do it to 43. So I was basically up 10 cents on it. But you know what? It just gave everything back. Oh, so lame. Can a brother see an algo squeeze? Can I see an algo squeeze? Can a brother see an algo squeeze? TPET, probably the best one here, with a nice bounce here at this gap. And so they are happening, but they are now. Look, what a nice dip, right? Okay, see if we get 17. 17. This is low 14.
T and G.
So gap reclaim over 20, 19. I would love to see a gap reclaim right here. I'll try it. Tight stop, 19.
ENSC.
Gap reclaim, gap reclaim.
TPET.
Small size, so it's all good. All good in the neighborhood.
Anandiva.
I see buyers, so buyers stepping in, but it's not going.
BATL. EUPG. RKLZ. TPET.
Nice, 22. 23.
UBIX. UBXY. RKLZ.
Bro,
TPET.
I don't understand. This thing gives no moves. No, my setup has not worked whatsoever. TPET looks like it's much better for me. Much better. Even though the volume is, well, the volume is not too bad. Jeez,
UBXY.
that's crazy.
AGIG. TPET.
TPET.
That's crazy. Look at this garbage, man. Losing $300 on that.
I will beat him.
TPET, will we get a squeeze through 150? Looks like we might get a squeeze. Oh no, not a squeeze. I guess it's rejecting 150. So we hit 150. That's probably a target for a lot of long traders.
BAML.
But if algos want to push it through 150, that could also happen. Otherwise, we're looking at for a dip 45 to 41 for a retest of 150. Yeah, GXAI, the worst stock choice of today.
BAML.
TPET was probably so much better with a dip right here at this gap. And then, yeah. What a good day on TPET, right? Nice day here.
TMD.
Good dip here. Continued higher. Good dip here. All right, if this breaks through 50, we may have a nice recovery here. Need to hold 47.
KLZ.
Keeping it tight. Keeping it tight. 15 seconds, 40 seconds. Let me see a little dip before you take off.
TMD.
Let me see a little dip here before you take off. This is looking pretty good. If you don't want to, second attempt at 47. Here we go.
ZSL.
49.
Beating
Let me
in
see
L.
it. Let me see it. Let me see what I need to see. Let me see what I need to see. No. Volume could come in here. All those can just like turn on right away, and then we get a nice move here. Okay, nice amount of green there. 48. No, doesn't look like it. You gap right there. 47. Nope. Good. Staying patient. Almost took it. Almost took it at 48. Now let's look for a dip. 41. I might give a nicer bounce. We have some interesting gaps right here, you know.
BAT.
Some very interesting gaps. Very interesting gaps. But if it wants to hold 47, who am I to deny it, you know? If you want to hold 47 and you're ready for a breakout, I won't deny it. This is a nice gap reclaim here. Let's see what it wants to do. Gap reclaim. Let's see it. 47. I need to see some green here.
LXU.
Some green at the highs. I'm gonna press the buy button here at this level. Nope. No, it's too slow. Too slow for now.
TNGX. TMD.
Gap is holding right there, 47. Logos are holding it. It's holding high.
TMD.
Good flush. Good flush here too.
LXU.
But bottoming wicks means buyers are picking it up every time it comes down. Until they don't. So gap disrespected. Another gap disrespected here. Okay, we're seeing a dip here. Will it hold 40?
BG.
41, 38, it's kind of a stop down there. Will it hold 40 or 41? Could be good, could be good if you hold 40 here. 41.
IOBA.
No, man, I missed. Basically, this move here was the best one. Maybe this one comes down a little more. Maybe at 40 or right under 40, 38. That could be good too. Trading GXAI, just losing a ton there with this volatility.
TMDE. IOBA.
So it did hold 41. Wow, it's an amazing move here. Let's see. Let's see. TPET making a beautiful move.
BATR.
44. 51. We can get a nice dip and continue higher to 160. That could be nice. Could be a nice trade.
TPET. LABD.
So looking for a dip. Ah, let's see how well that's gonna hold. 50. Even under 50. If it wants to keep going. May just hold 53 as well and just keep going. Looks like he's gonna do that.
BATR.
Oh my. Okay, 48, 49, 51, 52. Come on, bounce. Okay, I'm getting off flat here, looking like it was going to hold. Ah, that is so frustrating, dude. Looking like it was going to hold, and I'm like, okay, fine, down 40 bucks here. Nice dip. I should have been in here at 49. That's unbelievable for me, dude. I'm like, Okay, fine. And I'm selling here. This thing is gonna keep going to 55. Let's see, are we actually gonna get it? Beautiful bounce though, beautiful bounce. Can't complain about that. Cannot complain about that. Beautiful bounce here. 53. Oh, okay. Now it's getting a little choppy, but more volume is coming in here. 54. I don't know why they gave me the inclination that it was gonna pop. But immediately it came down. That's weird. 54. Dang, that sucks, dude. That really sucks. Because I would have been in here 49, yeah. Will it give another drop? Yeah, we're gonna have to wait. We're gonna have to wait. Not believe my luck. What's going on? What's going on with me? What is going on with me? What is going on with me?
EUPG. PG.
Dude, hesitating on everything. What a nice dip, bro. 47 to get out 51. It's 4 cents, bro. That's 4 cents. Dude. What? All right, here we go. Let's see. Nice move there. See if we can continue to get a move through 68. What's this range here? 60, 70. Probably take 1600. I think it would be nice. Low of that is 72. Stop would be 68.
TURB.
Good. Good, good, good.
QURE.
TURB.
75. High of day is going to be 84. No. Yeah, 84. So would we be able to break through 84?
QURE.
Slow, right? Slow. Very slow. I think the best trade is like was down here in this gap. Dang. And a nice dip down to 72. Wow, nice dip down to 72. 76 by 78, not bad either. That's a crazy dip. Nice. $77 by 78. Let's see what this is going to do. I think we may be able to get a squeeze here. See if we get a nice dip. $78 again. Buyers are stepping in, it seems like. We have two gaps right there. Touch both.
ELBL halted.
Oh, nice.
QURE.
Nice, 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 nice. Right, so 84 now.
TURB.
Maybe we get a break of 3 here. That would be sweet. Sweet, going for the break of 3. Dip one more time. Dip again. No, it's like okay, this is holding pretty high and I like it. I wonder if we're actually gonna get a breakout now. If it didn't break down, we're gonna get a breakout. Continuation higher, that would be crazy. Let's see. Massive volume coming through here. Massive volume.
TPET.
55. Let's see how old you hold 55. Let's do it. 56, 56, come on, 56, 57. 58. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Go, 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 go now. Go now, go now. Push, brother, push. Yeah, getting stopped right there. Let's see if we can get a dip 54.
TPET.
54, 53, 51. Gap and go here. 53. Don't want to get caught in some BS here, in some flush. I would love to see this thing run. Already got caught in some BS like earlier. 52, 51, 52. Dang, I don't know. Giving everything back. I wish it held 53. Oh wow. Did I get a... Yeah, barely got anything on that. Well, well, well. Rejection of the highs. $78 here. 76. 75. 74.
TSLL.
I like this. 75 by 76. Okay. Tight stop. It's in this gap. If it breaks, if we're seeing like 74, 73, I would probably get it out. So let's see. 77 on the ask. We like to see that. Ooh, 74 by 75 again. 75 by 78. It's low, but I think we can get another attempt maybe here.
TSLL. CLPT. QURE. TSLG.
All right. Maybe it just got flat on that. Not. It's slow. It's slow. So when it's slow, I don't. I have a setup in mind, but it's too slow, and I'm like, ah. I just second guess it, and I'm like, all right, whatever. I'm not gonna take it, and it's gonna go right. It's not my setup. It's not really my setup. It's sort of 50% my setup. We're holding in this gap, and we could potentially make another move. You know, if it would have failed, it would have failed already. I think here, or maybe on this other candle.
TSLT.
But that's all right. All right, we're gonna have to see some volume coming through here. 288. I want to see that break of 3 here. We get a dip under 90. 90 by 95. Yeah, let's take 92 by 95. 93 and a half, not bad. So we're risking here probably 288. I want to see the break of 3 pretty soon. Nice.
TURB.
Nice. So we want to see that break of 3 here. Come on. Break of 3. Yeah, I'll take it. Thank you. Okay, so we just got to do it. We just got to do it. We got to build our confidence back up. We know we can. Our setups work. Let's take a break and regroup. All right, here we go. So we formed the gap 53. Ooh, no, not 53, 52 actually. The high of this was what, 57 for the break of 60.
HUHU may resume in less than a minute.
52. This could work here. We'll try it. Ah, 53.8. It could work. It could work. Needs to hold 53. Needs to hold 53 here. Gap and go. Don't want to see a flush. And that, no green on the tape. Okay, some green there. Come on, come on. Come on.
SOXS.
If it don't want to fail, it's got one way to go. If you don't want to fail, you got one way to go.
UVXY. IREZ. UVIX.
Looking interesting here on the gap and go 53 by 54. It's a little slow, but I think it could work if we get buyers through here. Come on. Giving it a try. Here we go. Green, green. Come on. Come on.
UVXY.
Oh, I don't know. Here we go. Green.
UVIX.
Come on. $54.
IREZ.
I would love to see this now, dude. Now it's gonna go. Now it's gonna go. Stacking at 53. You gotta do it now, brother. You gotta do it now. 60 on the way. 60 on the way. 5-minute looks decent. Nice. 54, 55. Let's do it. 56. Give me 56. Give me 56. 56. Come on. Push this time. 56. 55 by 56. That's beautiful. Is it going to be more? Is it going to be more? I'll take one out here. Working with 2K here. Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. 57, nice. 57.
TPET.
Push it. Oh, nice. Nice. I didn't think it would work, but I guess it did work there. 58, okay. 59.
TPET.
Dang, I pulled out 55, 57. Now let's see if I can get 59 through here. Yeah, I'm gonna get out here 50 by 59. I think it might give a dip now. Beautiful trade, awesome. So pulled out 1K maybe a little too soon. Oh, we're almost flat on the day, so
TPET.
you really pulled this out of the fire, huh? After missing a lot, after like just going crazy, going a little crazy here today. But when the setups work so well, man. Being down 200 is nothing when taking big size. So now here we go. I should still be holding the 3K, brother. Should still be holding the 3K right here.
TPET.
That's all right. That's all right. That's all right. 60. Maybe we get the break of 60. Let's see. We could risk here just a bit. Just a bit. Need those sellers to start stepping out of the way.
TPET.
holding the gap and go 58. Well, top of the gap 58, I guess. Bad, big buyers. It's 59.
TPET.
Need to see it now here. Now. 51, 52. Come on. No. It has to come quicker. We're breaking 60. Where are the buyers at? Yeah, I pulled out of that. Dang. So much anticipation for that breakout, it didn't work. Or it did work, but it didn't go as fast. Might go.
UBIX. UBXY.
Dang, nice.
TUAY.
Maybe gotta hold it, you know? Hold it.
TPET. NVD.
Is it gonna hold 56, 55? No. Okay, I'm mentally drained. I mean, being down almost 300 bucks, and now going back to flat.
TZA.
It's just part of the growth when sizing up. So, gotta do it. Gotta do it. This is good though. This is still a good spot.
BMNV.
It's holding that 5-minute gap. TPET, wow, TPET's been a different monster today. Unable to, well, I was able to get green on this finally, you know, throughout this move. Didn't trust some places, didn't trust some other places, but wow, incredible. Anyway, we'll see, we'll stay patient. Wow, if this thing keeps going, dude, it's just going to be unbelievable. 3 times at this gap. High that is 58. What is our high? 64. Dang it. Will it give another move?
SOXS. NVD.
EMD.
SQQQ.
It's hard to say.
SMCZ. TECS.
Wow. Okay. 61 by 62.
UBXY.
Shorts are getting squeezed here or what?
NVD.
We're getting a nice squeeze or what? 61. Stop 61.
UBIX.
Yeah, I gotta commit to that one.
VIXY.
Gotta commit to 61 there. Oh, I'm a little late here. Shoot, 61. I had to commit to 61. That was beautiful. Dang it. Okay. I think that's it. That might be it. That might actually be it. 63 is that low. Dang it.
SOXS. TURB.
Or if this is gonna keep going, yeah. 62. 60. I had to commit to 61. If I didn't get it here right at 60, this right here, 62 by, no, 62 by 63, it was here that I had to commit.
SOXS. NBD.
Wow.
UBIX.
It's gonna keep going.
UBXY. VXX. TECS. TPET. IREZ. TZA. PLTZ. NBD.
65 by 66.
TPET.
That is not nice. Getting caught in that is not, definitely not nice. So, just watching it here. Maybe 60 could be a dip.
SOXF. TPET. IREZ.
Volatility.
UBXY. MSTZ. SQQQ. VIXY. UBIX.
Volatility is big here. Right.
NBD.
Gap. 5-minute gap being formed. Right at 61.
MSTZ. VIXY. UBIX. SQQQ. SOXS. NBD. TZA. IREZ.
GXAI.
MSTZ. VIXY.
Yeah. I don't know. Okay, this is nice. Looks like we're gonna make a move. 66. This would be crazy. $66. No, thank you.
TPET.
Out, 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 out. Oof. I thought that was going to go, but man, that was somebody. Ah, that was a loss there. Quite a bit of volatility there. I got 66. That's weird.
UBXY.
Took me some time to get filled. I thought it was gonna. Well, I don't know what I was watching. It would have happened so fast.
VXX.
For that gap and go. I was waiting for that gap and go. I don't know what price, like 68.
UBIX. TPET.
So here we go. This thing might break 670.
UBXY. IREZ. LABD.
I mean, looks like an obvious trade here. Yep.
SQQQ. UBIX.
Back to 69, over 70.
TPET.
Okay.
TZA.
Let's see if we can
SRTY.
start squeezing some of these shorts here over 69. Here we go. Let's start squeezing, squeeze mode. Come on, activate squeeze mode here. It's a little high, but I think we can do it. 72.
TPET.
72 was good.
TPET.
CORD.
74 is strong here. Yeah, I'm hesitating a lot. 72 was good. 74 there was good too. Dang it. I'm hesitating too much here at the highs. Because I don't want... Okay. All right. Come on.
IONZ.
We could go to 80 here. Ugh,
TPET.
TPET.
no. I'm just throwing money. I'm like, it looks like it's gonna break. Don't want to get caught in a massive flush. Yeah, I'm throwing money out the wind here. Looks like it's gonna break through 80, right? The sellers were getting thinned out. Yeah.
TZA. UBXY.
Will it drop? Will it drop?
TPET. UBIX.
Dang it. 78 by 79. What's it gonna be? $78 keeps holding.
TPET. UBIX. UBXY. RGTZ.
What's gonna be here? Is it gonna be a flush or a squeeze? It really all depends what's gonna happen. Or the buyers, are we being aggressive here?
TPET.
Yep.
VIXY.
Go.
UBIX.
80.
UBXY. VXX.
Go. Oh,
TPET.
ah, dang it. What's going on with this, bro?
UBIX.
Ah,
UBXY.
this is so annoying.
TZA.
Ah, dang it. Dang it.
TPET.
I can honestly take 5K size on this thing, bro.
RGTZ.
What a stock today, TPET.
TZA.
Will we see $2 here? 80 is that low? Shorts are getting squeezed.
TPET.
Shorts are getting squeezed. The gap and goes are working here, working well. Yes. Go through 84,
UBXY.
86.
UBIX.
Come on.
TPET.
Nothing. Oh, dude, it's so annoying. Oh, come on. I just can't trade. I just can't trade this thing. It goes to 86. I just gotta hold it, I guess, but I just don't want to get caught in a flush here. Man, that sucks. Well, that sucks
TPET.
quite a lot. One K. How about 1K?
TPET.
Will 1K be will I be okay holding 1K now? Sellers are stacking right there, 88.
TPET.
This thing, man, this thing is so annoying. The flush is going to be
TPET.
outrageous. There's your flush. Throughout this area, I made no money. I made $0 throughout this area. 62. Take a quick little one here. Right at 69.
LAVD.
We can get 72 here. Tight stop. Nice. Nice. All right, we're gonna be 75. Okay. I'm not even trading my setup. I'm just kind of looking for 2 cents. I'm like scalping right now because it's been a long day. Long day adjusting, mentally adjusting to the big size. Right? Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy.
DRCD.
TPET.
All right. Ooh, 78, 76. Almost bought 78. Thinking about it. This might be the top. Ooh, what? This thing is crazy. Do I want to buy at 79? Dang, strong. It's strong. It's like so strong, dude. What the heck? I'm like blown away by how strong it is. Sadly, I've been red all day. Now I'm green, like 20 bucks after such a long trading session. I have that is 88. So here we go. What's this next thing going to do? So we're within this big red 1 minute gap, but it bounced strong. So we could take a dip here, 79. $77 now. It's dipping quite aggressively. The bids are not holding as strong anymore. Seems like it. Although 78 looks good. Oh wow, TURB. Dang.
TURB.
TURB or what? What's happening here? $3? Here at the highs, we got 78. TURB going for that next move. What's the deal here? It could go. Possible target.
TURB.
323. What's the deal, TURB? Are you gonna do this second leg here?
TURB.
78 is holding so strong. TURB, look at this.
TURB.
Wow, TURB. That's beautiful. $323. TURB.
TURB.
Wow. That's nice.
TURB.
Yeah, I mean, it's hard to be part of something like this
TURB.
unless you're attempting a dip around this area. That could have worked with smaller size, perhaps. And a
TURB.
massive run. Look at that, from 280 to 360, almost $1 a share there.
TURB.
Wow.
TPET.
TPET, definitely now. Wow, that's crazy. Okay. 79. Are we gonna do this though? Or are we gonna get the worst fake out ever? TPET, come on. 72. 72. Yeah, let's do it. Tight stop. 70, 71. 81 rather. What am I talking about? 81. Let's get this. Let's get this. Come on. Let's get this. Let's get this. You've done it many times. Nice. 83. 84.
TPET.
85. 86. Even 1K out here. 87, 88. 1K out here. Let's freaking do it, man. 88, 89. 90.
TPET.
TPET.
Oh, almost got it. Almost got it. Out 87, not bad. Okay, good. Wow, that was beautiful. Up 140 today. Oh my goodness. TURB in this gap. We could keep this tight here, TURB,
BOIM.
for a really nice bounce. TURB. We'll take it. 38. Risking like 35. Not much. Not much here. Don't want to see 35 break. Ooh. Okay. 28 though could be still be good. A big seller showed up there. Ah, well, 6 cents on that. All right, whatever. Dang it. TURB 29 could still be pretty good though. For a beautiful bounce.
UBIX. VXX.
That seller needs to go away.
VIXY.
28, 29. That seller's still at 30. There you go. I mean at 33, 43 buyers. Nice, bro. Nice.
TURB.
BG.
Try to get some out like at 54. I was not able to get it.
TURB.
Holding 600 right here. See what this next candle wants to do. Push, 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 push. Green, green, green. Beautiful. Beautiful.
BG.
Nice. Nice. Ah, all right. 55. Wow. What a swing today, huh? Up 200 now. Okay. Man, I was so miserable for like most of the day. Now with a few trades, it's like bang, bang. Okay, cool. Oh, man. All right. Slicing up here a little bit. Let's see if we're gonna get this move through 88, 90. 15 seconds here. Volatility is big. Yeah, we could lose 150 on this, but that's okay.
BOIL.
Acknowledge risk. Risk is acknowledged. Risk is acknowledged here.
BATO.
Back to 91,
TPET.
92.
INDO.
Try 91, try 92. Back to 92.
BG. BOIL.
92. Volatility is huge here. 93. 94. Wonder what this is going to do here. Still looking good. This is not going to give a dip. I understand that it's not going to give a dip.
ODD.
So
BATO.
might give like a 1 cent dip. $93, 92, 92, 92, 91, 90. Okay. Over 9, under 90. 88. Ah, I'll take 88. 2K. 87. 86. Ah, no. Good thing I didn't take. Oh, okay. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Nice. 2K right there at 90. 92. 93. Okay, let's size up here. If this thing is going to fold here, push. Stop his break even. I want to add to this for the break of $2. It's been so strong, you know. Low volume there on this move. Low green volume. Probably not taking it out. Low green volume here. Good dip though. 88, 80, 86. Of that was 95. The candle finished green on the last second. Dip, another dip here. Take a 2K dip. Feel more comfortable with a 2K dip and adding it to it.
BG.
$90, $88. Dang, 90's holding. Top of the gap. Top of the gap. Top of the gap here.
BG.
Low volume on this pullback. $91. $91. Hopefully it's not a flush.
LSU.
Break of $2. We're at the highs, bro. We're at the high. We started here like under $1. This thing opened under $1.
BG.
$90 is holding. Just 1K here.
STAK.
STAK.
Just 1K here at 90. Let's see it. If it looks like it's gonna break, I'll get out. But
STAK. BG.
yeah.
STAK.
Oh, that looks like it's gonna break. If it doesn't break though, if it doesn't break here, that would be nuts. Ah,
STAK.
89. Needs to flush. Needs to flush right now. Needs to flush. Dude, we need a sell-off here. If it doesn't sell off. Short squeeze will continue.
STAK.
82. Anyway, I think that was good. Looking for 82 maybe. But if this recovers right here, 88.
STAK.
3%. Interesting move. I think that's it. This is backside. Wow, that's crazy. Back to 90.
STAK.
Is it gonna hold 90 here? Man, if this holds 90, bro, it's not backside anymore. Oh, jeez. STAK. $92. Game's on at 92. Seconds. Come on, hold it 20 seconds. You've been doing that before. Hold it 20 seconds.
TPET.
Hold it, hold it, hold it. 94. Shorts are gonna get squeezed here. Hold it 3 seconds. No, don't do it yet, bro. Come on. Dip, dip, dip a little bit, dip a little bit, dip a little bit, dip a little bit. No dip. Let's do it.
BOIL.
Push through two. Push through two. Push through two now.
TPET.
Ah, that took me out. Okay, fine. 96. Basically got out flat on that. 94. And I don't know. I get caught in the same thing I got caught yesterday.
BOIL.
Is it actually gonna do it though? 95 was that low?
TMDE.
Two K. 2K right under 95 for the breakout. 3K, let's do it. 3K for the breakout. Could lose 3 cents on it, but that's okay.
BOIL. STTK.
Under 95, 92 stop.
UNG.
I need a 1 minute gap. Come on, haven't had one in a while. Top of the gap here, 96.
STTK.
Stupid stock, bro. Top of the gap at 96. Now this is gonna go here.
TPET.
97. Maybe one more dip.
BOIL. UNG.
One more dip. 99. There it is. Boom. Not a strong setup for me though. That's why, because it doesn't have the gap. Doesn't have a layer of support. Volatile right there. Shaking people off. $2 could be. $2 could be the spot, but let's see. If this holds 2, we're taking it. $99. Yeah, let's go. Let's do it.
TPET.
Let's do it. I'm basically in a 201. Don't break. Yeah. Yeah, I lost 3 cents on that. 2 cents. Okay. Wasn't gonna hold. All right.
BOIL.
All right. That was fun.
UNG.
There was a dip here, but no real strong gap. There was a gap right here. Closed right under it, but it reclaimed it at 88. That should have been my signal here. At least 2K right here. Boom. Nice. Looking for the break of 2. Still in here for the break of 2, but I would love to take it 2K down here at 94. This gap gonna hold the highs? Dude, this gap gonna hold the highs? Come on. It does hold the highs. Oh, man. We're dealing with a different stock now. Every dip's been holding so well. Dang. Didn't think it would do it. That's crazy. That's crazy.
RBNE. INDO.
All right. Over 2. If this is strong, we'll take it. If this is strong, we'll take it. $99. $99. Algo's right under 2. Let's do it. There it is, 99. Needs to hold. You need to hold. You need to see green here. Green for me to affirm. For it to affirm the breakout here. Risking like 2 cents. About 2 cents or a cent. I don't know. I need to see green here. Okay, that's some green there.
TMDE.
Right under 2. That's some more green there. Ooh, nice. 2 needs to hold.
TPET.
Hold 2.
UNG.
Yeah, let's do it. 201. 203. Come on, 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 come on. Gap and go. Yep, gap and go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Push, push, push through. Through a 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Barely anything on that.
TPET.
Oh, dang it. Yeah, that might have been the top. Who knows? Who knows? Oh, wow. What a bounce. Okay, gap right here, 202. Are we going to do it?
BOIL.
Are we going to do it? 202. Risking about 1 cent. Sellers, sellers. Are you going to do it?
TPET.
Are you going to do it? I don't know. Sellers here. People are selling 204. Nice. Wow. Okay.
TPET.
It looks like we're going to break this. Looks like we got another squeeze in our hands. 205, 206. 206. 206. It could do it. It could do 206. I got in there 206. Let's do it now. 8, 8, 9, 10. Squeeze, squeeze. I'll go 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 squeeze. Come on. Brother, that's brutal, man. Oh, what? I had 3 cents on that. Fudge. That's annoying. That's so annoying. I'm thinking it's gonna come down. Oh, that's so annoying, dude. 207. Hmm. Let's see. Yeah, nah. So I was looking for the algo squeeze. I was ready to take 1,000 shares out, and then this thing comes down to 206. Ah, and that was so annoying, dude. And then it bounced again, back to 210. Dude. Oh, wow. Look at this. Dip right there, back to 208, 209. A lot of volatility here. That's so unfortunate, man. That's really unfortunate there.
RBNE. TPET.
210. Oh.
SOC.
Wow. Wow.
TPET.
Nice break there. Nice break. Nice break. Shorts are getting squeezed here. Shorts might get squeezed here.
RBNE.
TPET.
You are joking. You are joking. I took that out 17. Okay, I need to stop scalping. And my scalper mentality kicked in there. You're joking there. Oh, what? That sucks, dude. That sucks.
BOIR.
Making like half a cent. All right, all right, all right.
TPET.
Oh, no.
RBNE.
It's like free. This thing is like free money right now, man. It's free money, and I'm kind of butchering it a little bit on the gap and goes. All right, gotta be careful here. 14 is that low. 18, we could break through 20 though. So needs to hold here.
TPET.
RBNE.
Oof. Lost 50 cents on $50 on that. Okay, let me size down here. Yeesh. I lost. I was in basically 19 out of 18. How was I? Yeesh. Okay, I gotta be careful here, bro. I'm missing the trade that I'm supposed to hold, and I'm not trading well. I'm not trading well here. Not trading well. Okay, getting that break of 20. 230. Let's see if we can get a nice little move here. Pretty extended, but if it's going to go, oof,
TPET.
that's a false breakout here. Back over 220. Bro, back over 220 would be outrageous. Oh my goodness. This thing is out of control. Next candle here. No, I was gonna take it right there, 20. Back over 20. 18. If you get back over 20, this thing has one way to go. Back over 20, algos could hit. This is a gap and go, modified gap and go because I'm reading this price action. And if it wants to go back over 20. Let's see. 15 seconds. Dude, this thing could go back over 20 the next 8 seconds. Yeah, back over 20. Look at that. We're going to keep it really tight. 1 cent, 1 cent. Back over 20. There you go. You need to hold. You need to hold. You need to hold. Oof. No. Okay, back over 20 again. Nah. Dude, that's crazy. Okay. What? 22. New candle here. Keeping it really tight. Could be it. Could be it. Yes. Keeping it really tight. Nice, nice, nice. Go, 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 go. Don't break 22. I got a great fill here.
TPET.
Go. Yes, it's holding 22. It's likely what I need to see. No. Look at that. 22. 22? Yeah. Good. Okay. Dang it, brother. Got like 1 cent there. Oh. I mean, we tried it quite a bit, huh? Yeah, 5 minute right here. This thing is outrageous at this point. What is going on?
RBNE.
What is going on here?
TPET.
TPET.
20. Shorts are getting squeezed here. 24. Dip on this, dip on this. 10 seconds. Okay, waiting 10 seconds here. What this next candle is going to do.
TPET.
What is it going to do here? Gap is being formed. 30.
LABD.
Yeah. Nice.
TPET.
27.
BAK.
What's it gonna do?
RBNE.
30.
TPET.
TPET.
Below
GXAI.
25 could be a nice dip. Below 25 for an interesting dip here. Dang. This 1 minute is pretty crazy.
TPET.
27. $20 is that low. Will we get 20? Or are we gonna see 30 first?
TPET.
Sellers at 30. Ah, look at that. Okay. Ah, come on. Come on, bro. Ah, it's giving me, it doesn't give me anything, dude. Give me something to work with.
TPET.
33. Give me something to work with here. 33 might have been good. Then out there, 37. Looking for a dip into this gap. No dips. It's too strong. 38, 39. Now it's moving much faster here. 42, 40. Dang it.
TPET.
TPET.
Dang it, brother. 40. Ah, that dip at 33 was good. 40, 44. Ah, kind of just watching it here. It's pretty hard to get up here with some size and
TPET.
TPET.
46, 45. High of that was 49, 37, 38. I mean, when it's dropping, it's gonna drop. 30, 27, 25 by 20. Back on 30. Brother, all these dips are getting bought up like magic, man. What? This thing is out of control, bro.
TPET.
It's getting out of control. This one, I gotta trade it. Gotta take it. Gotta take advantage of this huge volatility. Uh,
TPET.
wow, that's insane right now. The most volume on the day is this candle right here. This 5 minute. The most volume on the day was in this candle. Wow. 4 million shares.
TPET.
30. Ooh, first gap. First red gap. Shoot. 25. Bro, back over 30 again. If it's absolutely the most stock, okay, the strongest stock we've ever seen. Yep. 16. That dip at 16 was like crazy. Back over 20. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. 21. Nice. Taking it right there. 25. I'm not messing with it. Messing with it. Oh, nervous there. Ooh, crazy. So, sweet trade there. All right, we're gonna call it here. What a day! What a day here. Up 100 on the week. We're up 280, and we went through a lot of mental ups and downs today. From green to red to max loss to green, a base hit $280. What can I say? We've traded a ton, 45 trades. My goodness, $20 in commissions. I took some questionable trades. I missed a ton, and I did not hold where I had to hold. Where was it? This one here? Dude, hold it. 5K. No, there was one with 5K. Here, this one. Was it this one? I don't remember. Anyway, let's check it out. It's gonna be a lot. I mean, let's see. So let's do flags to select all. So TPET off the bat, I'm thinking it's not gonna be a good one, but beautiful dip here. I should have been in this one right here. Nice trade. Not nice trade. I mean, let's not do it this way. It's just so much. Let's see. We're gonna look at our biggest winner. Biggest winner came out of this one here off this tap and go. Bang, nice. Ooh, 85 though. We can hold this. I could have hold this to 87, but I just needed to take something out to just feel much better. So taking some out, 3 cents higher. So not bad, 121. Not bad at all. Let's look at our biggest loser. Biggest loser was this drop here, 53.49.
Yeah, losing basically, yeah, losing basically 130 on that. I don't know what happened. I thought it was gonna keep going. A gap, modified gap and go. I mean, I should have waited because then I took another trade right here. I think, yep, next trade was this one here. Dip into this gap because I thought, why am I getting out right here when I know this is actually the best spot for an entry? Bought it right away, out 53, kept going higher to 56. Oh, all right, next. Let's look for the longest hold. Longest hold was this one, nice. So 55, 50, yeah, no, I actually trade, yeah, I know that. We talked about that one. Best in terms of cents per share. Ooh, was this lost? Jeez. Else. Biggest cents per share. Actually, let me take a look at. No, is it cents per share? Here we go. Yeah, this one, which we talked about, and then that one, 130. So lost basically 4 cents. Anyway, we traded it quite a lot through this area here. Boom, boom. Here, I mean, you just gotta hold, man. Like, I just gotta hold, you know? Just gotta hold. 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 Nice. That's okay, I guess. It's okay. Gap and goes. Loss. Hold. No, this is fine. This came down. Or hold. I don't remember. I gotta look at the recap. Hold. Hold. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Dip right there. Went all the way up to 30, I think. Or no, I don't remember, but it's there's a nice dip. Anyway, that was one. TURB was another one that I got some very nice trade here. I got a very nice trade here for the break of 3. Got that one. Feeling so nervous here. I'm thinking, it's not gonna do it. I'm second guessing my trading. Taking it out basically flat, ends up going to 290. And I'm thinking, man, that's like 20 cents, you know? Anyway, then I get a little loss right here. So I'm thinking we're in this gap. Let me take it. Immediately comes down. I'm out. In again right here. 33. Big seller gets out of the way. Bang. 54, 53, 54, 56, and 47. Nice. Finally something good. A beautiful trade. 180. Massive trade. MTEK. At the beginning, we took this. First trade was basically a test trade. Let's take a look at the next one. Beautiful right here on this gap, 65, looking for this breakout, And I'm thinking, no, it's right at VWAP, it's not going out 70. So 2,000 shares, which was quite a bit, honestly. 2,000 shares. Maybe I gotta do 1,600. Yeah, or 14. This was quite a bit. I'm thinking, okay, I'm gonna get out flat because it's weak. And when I looked, I was like, that's not really flat. That's like $100. So then I realized I might be sizing up too much on this. Anyway, GXAI, dude, this was the stock I gave it so many tries. All right, anyway, we got this stock right here, 24 to 20, loss immediately. Like, was it immediate? Yeah, immediate loss. Like, what? Looking for this gap and go, and it just doesn't work. So I'm guessing I'm rushing the gap and go at the open. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Whatever. All right, fine. We'll take that loss. But come on. Like, come on. 06 to 95. That's outrageous. That drop was outrageous. All the way down, losing 10 cents on that. So lost 180 on this. 1,600 shares. That drop was kind of outrageous. Anyway, was not able to get out any sooner. Next was a top of the gap. I don't know what this was. Gap into the gap, out flat, nothing. What is this? Gap and go, out flat, nothing. Another gap, dip at the gap, out, flat, nothing. This is the one I have to hold right here. So how much? I have 1,600 shares. I have to hold it. I have to hold. There was a gap right here, so I have to acknowledge that there are buyers either above or below the gap. Always, always, right? There are going to be some buyers. The bounce, if it's strong, is going to bounce either right above it, like it always does, like here. It's bouncing right above the gap. It's not testing the gap, so it's strong. Same thing here. There could be buyers right above it or right below it, giving you a bounce, giving you a gap, giving me a gap reclaim. I gotta hold it. I gotta hold this. I'm too afraid. I'm in the red. I'm in the red like $300 or something. I gotta hold it because it gives a fabulous move all the way out to what is this 224. So basically, they're almost 30 cents, right? So that's my only winner. Another gap trade, nothing. Another one here, nothing. Tried it again, another one here, nothing. Gap and go here, nothing. Finally see this, so I'm thinking, okay, let me get a gap and go up here, nothing. Okay, dip into top of the gap, I think here, nothing. Again, nothing. Gap and go. Did I miss it? Maybe I missed this. Maybe I missed that. That was not bad, I guess. 34. Well, maybe I could have held this. I could have held this one here. 27. No, I mean, the low of this was 26. No. I could have gone in here at 22, 23. Anyway, that's just a quick recap of what I did. So another one here, nothing. What kind of setup was this? Off the, oh yeah, gap reclaim in a 19 now, 18 now. Ah, such a shame because it looked so good, but look at this chart. It's just chop, and I'm losing 290 on this, almost $300 on this. So anyways, we're up 280. Sizing up pretty aggressively, making it happen. And we just have to commit to the trades. We've seen a lot of trades today that I just watched it go without me. Hesitated on the dips, on my fair value gap setups. That can't happen anymore. So tomorrow we'll lock this in. The rest of the month we'll lock that in. We're back to green on the week. That's nice. Tomorrow is the last day of the week. We'll see how well we can finish the week. But the goal this month, or maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I don't know, to shake off the nerves. Shake them off. You can do it. It is possible. It is possible to trade how I know how to trade, how I've traded last month while sizing up. And I know I can do it. These last 3 days, this last week, honestly, I sized up. No, actually, the last week, I think I sized up. I gotta look into it, but I think it was the last week that I started to size up, and shaking off the nerves on these 3 days, which I think were hot. But if we don't look at that last week, look at just this one, right? Beautiful month, right? Beautiful 3 weeks here, green 3 weeks with size, with good size. So I know I can do it. I know we can do it. It is possible to do so. Yeah, so we'll see tomorrow. Have a lot to review tonight. Anyway, so come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, try out a free trading analysis tool. Select a broker, add a file, then use free analysis tool. It'll give you this view right here. You can toggle between different stocks and see how well you've traded each one of them. And you can see your stats. Very accurate stats. I love it. Check out our pricing. So it's $5 or $50 a year, 5 a month or 50 a year. Very good. So hit me up on Discord if you have any questions, and I'll see you tomorrow with more trading. Good recovery, red to green. We like to see that.